Before buying a new shower head, check one thing: the connection type on your shower arm. Almost all shower heads use a standard threaded fitting, but confirming this first saves you a return trip to the store. Start by removing the old shower head. Turn it counterclockwise by hand. If it's stuck from mineral buildup or age, wrap a cloth around the connection to protect the finish and use pliers or a wrench for extra grip. Hold the shower arm steady with one hand while you turn, so you don't accidentally loosen the arm from the wall. Once the old head is off, clean the threads on the shower arm with an old toothbrush to remove mineral deposits or old tape residue. A clean, smooth thread is what actually determines whether the new connection seals properly. Wrap the threads with plumber's tape. Going clockwise in the same direction, you'll be tightening the new head 3 to 4 times around. This step alone prevents most future leaks at this connection. Thread the new shower head on by hand until it's snug. Then tighten it a quarter turn further with a wrench, using a cloth to protect the finish. Avoid over-tightening, since forcing it too far can crack the head's internal components or damage the tape seal. Turn the water on and check the connection closely for a few minutes. A small drip at the joint usually means it needs another quarter turn, not a full reinstall. If you're switching to a handheld or multifunction head, check the water pressure afterward, since some models include their own flow restrictor that can change the feel of your shower. Like this guide for the next time your shower head needs an upgrade instead of a full plumber visit.